Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate.
Get it, get fly. I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. I don't get tired.
Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her water. Why? Because your girl's at Essence Fest right now, and I'm getting the drinks in. So I had to hydrate before I got there. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Why they told us some basic training? Okay, get that water. But anyway, before we get into this install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. So we are going to style this unit up in a ponytail. That's what I want to do. I'm going to do it, and I think I want like a little side bang situation. Maybe. This is how the hairline is looking now that I plucked it up a little bit. It does come slightly pre-plucked. However, for this to be the density that it is pretty thick. You may want to go in and pluck it up just a little bit more to give you some breakage in the hairline, just to make sure, you know, it's gonna sit natural on you. I did just a smidge, so I may need to do a little bit more when I get into styling this wig, but we'll see. But right now though, I'm gonna cut off the lace. I do not have on my wig grip because most HerGivenHair units do run a little bit smaller on my head, and with the elastic band attached, it already gives me pretty much a snugness that I need around my dome. So I'm gonna leave the wig grip off today because I will be gluing this unit down. I feel like I can't see. Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off like that. Perfect, perfect. I be on TikTok way too much. I am thirsty today, goodness gracious. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this unit down first. Okay, so now I need to sleek the unit out just a little bit because again, I want mine to be like a flowy look. I still want the natural look, but I want it to be sleeked out. So I'm gonna take my brush and my blow dryer to do this. Now y'all know I do have the Revlon brush. It's basically these two things put together. I don't have it out, I'm just using what I have on hand. But if you wanna use that, you definitely can. I will have a link to my Amazon store as well as all these other products that I'm using in this video. So I'm gonna put it on high heat and hot first, and then I'm gonna change it down to warm once I get it, you know, to how I want it. And now I need to get my parting space right. Let me put on my glasses so I can see how much lace I got. I got a good amount of parting space, so I want to do a curved part over here. Okay, so makeup is done. Now let's get this hair styled up. Let me turn on my curling iron. Okay, not bad, not bad. Now, as you saw my install, I did not glue the ear tabs down just because this unit does run small on me. All HerGivenHair units run small on me, so you know, it is what it is, but we still make it do what it do, baby, okay? So now I'm gonna make sure my ponytail is straight. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of gel right there on my brush. I'm using my Eco Styler gel. Okay, and now I'm just gonna bump this wig, just kind of sleek it out a little bit with some heat. Okay, so hair is curled up. Let me just make sure my edges are good. Again, I'm not gluing that down, so if you see it, ignore it. Make sure my lace is blended with a little bit of my contour. Okay, so we're just gonna comb this out. Well, not comb it out, but finger comb it out like this. I did cut the bangs, as you saw, a little shorter just because they're really long and I did not want it that long. Make sure my ponytail is good. Looking pretty good. What's this? What is that? It's gonna swirl it up like that. Let me break up this hairline a little bit. A little too straight for me. Okay, and we are back. Listen, Y'all know I love me a good half up, half down, and this one is no exception. This looks good. I love everything about this style. Now when it comes to HerGivenHair, y'all know they come for the pockets, okay? They're one of the most expensive brands that I work with on my channel, but just know their quality matches their price point. Their wigs last a long time. I'm talking years on the wig spectrum. Now before you ask me what do I think about this one compared to this one, this wig from HerGivenHair is going to be a thicker texture. So if you want a thicker texture that's going to mimic natural hair, this one is going to be for you, okay? I do wish the hairline was a little bit more pre-plucked than what it was, especially for this price point. I just want, you know, I want all my ducks in a row when I'm styling a wig, especially if I'm paying a certain amount of ducats for this wig, okay? But the lace is good, the hair quality is good, the hair texture is good. It's holding my curl pretty nicely. Like y'all see it right now. I've had this wig on for about 30 minutes now and my curls are not dropping. The hair is still flowy, and y'all saw that I did not go in and put a lot of heat on my unit. If you want to go in with a hot comb, not a hot comb, a flat iron to, you know, sleek through your hair just a little bit more, you can definitely do that. But I wanted a very natural, kinky, straight type of look, and I'm glad that I did it like this. Something is pulling on my hair over here. Hold up, let me get this off. There it is. Woo, about to pull my temples off my face. Lord have mercy. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this unit. Pretty much what you see out the pack is what you get. The wig as a whole, I feel like it's really cute. The style that I did is even cuter. Okay, so I'm here for this. Y'all already know I'm at Essence Fest right now. Okay, Essence Fest starts today and your girl is in the building. So yeah, I'm gonna be styling and profiling all weekend. You hear me? I mean, I hope so. It may be too hot for all that. I don't know, we'll see. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.